welcome to DAPITAN, Zamboanga del Norte. Hey guys, Coach Fan here. We are going to join the 5150 DAPITAN race. And ayan na nga, kakalating ko lang and I want to show you guys for this episode my day 1 and day 2 here in DAPITAN. So right now, I am traveling at the Travel B Heritage Inn. Here is my little room tour. And I'm so glad that I got the bottom floor room so I don't have to carry my bag all the way up to the second floor. And I'm so happy that Travel B accommodated my early check-in. So here I am, papunta na sa Dakak to have my registration for the race. Medyo malayo lang yung Dakak Resort from the city, so it took a little while going there. My trike fare was 500 pesos going there and back. And they gladly wait for you in front of the lobby. And here we are at the resort convention, and I arrived kind of earlier than everyone, so I had to wait till 2 p.m. for registration to open.
Buenas tardes, ladies and gentlemen. It is exactly 2 p.m. and scheduled.
And ayun nga, marami pang nagkakahiyaan, pero gusto ko na kasing bumalik sa hotel ko at malayo pa, so nauna na akong mag-register.
Second, please.
Allah.
Third.
We move now to our merchandise store para tingnan.
Ito yan, kulolo. Kulolo. Char. Tikman natin. Dito try namin. Madam, ano tong kulolo?
Yung kololo, ma'am, yan ang product namin dito sa Dakak. Fruit cocktail at saka may coconut.
Coconut nut.
Yan. Okay, give. Get try natin.
Ayan, try. Aryan tries the...
Sarap. Oh, okay. Sige.
My turn. Ang laki na. Pwede. Pwede ako.
And so registration is finished, so I step into the beach ng Dakak Resort just to see it. Medyo nahirapan lang akong maghanap ng trike going back to the lobby, but here I am. I was so lucky enough na nakasabay sa mga new friends from Batangas. Ito yung Balay Hamoy.
This house was completed year 1893. It was given as a wedding gift to the newlywed couple by their parents. Year na, ito po ay binigay. So year 1892. Secret Heart.
Year 1892.
So, ito po ay original na handwriting niya. Registry of Deeds po yan. Ito naman po ay ginawa ni Dr. Rizal. So, panggawa. Pero ang very lang, nakakapagtaka. Ito, pagkatapos ng dalhin sa Manila, kasi po, pupunta siyang Cuba, so dala-dala niya yan. Bago siya hulihin, ipinagbili niya yan kay Pasiano sa only brother niya at sa kanyang sister. Sinabi, siguraduhin niyo na huwag ito makuha. Bahala mo kung ang ibang dokumento, huwag lang ito. So, sa tingin po natin, may mga messages dyan or hidden code siguro na hindi pa na-design. So, mga lumang jars or banga na nilalagyan ng mga pagkain ng araw.
Yan, Iron Man.
50th edition.
Mabigat po.
Kulay ang paso, dahil ikaw bro, dahil ikaw.
Now it's time for the infamous. Will I get it straight? Will I get it straight?
Oh my goodness. most is this time hindi siya baliktad. Woo! It's pretty good. That's pretty good. Good morning. Coach Van here. Ayun na nga ang nangyari yesterday. I had my registration and I went to Balay Hamoy. Medyo wala ako sa mood kahapon magsalita sa camera. But today, I am actually going to the swim start area. It is about 1 kilometer away from our inn. So I guess I will be biking it tomorrow para mas mabilis yung punta ko. Hindi ko na-realize, napaka-colorful ko pala ngayon. Kaya ang dahil nakatanong. And ayun nga pala, binudol ako ni Dexter, but binudol kami ni Dexter na mag-sign up for the Noli run later. It was only for 650 pesos. So, di ba, ang mura, tapos ang laki ng medal, ang ganda ng medal. So, nag-sign up na rin ako. And I didn't know anything about it. I was so busy. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na costume run pala siya. What I learned yesterday, kaya pala naging city ang Dapitan ay dahil kay Jose Rizal. Kaya ganun ka-significant si Jose Rizal here kasi nung na-excel siya, dahil niya ginawa dito, naging physician siya. He even designed the plaza. Naging surgeon din siya kasi siya yung nagtanggal ng cyst. Electrical also, so yung mga lamppost here, siya yung nagplano ng mga lampposts for this city. So, marami pang iba ang ginawa niya for this city.
Hi, baby. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hi. Hi, good morning. Hello, kong gala.
Naglalaro pa sila. Layo rin pala ng 1 kilometer if you're gonna walk it. I think it does feel very far if you don't know where it is. But if you do, like, medyo kampante ka na, you'll know 1 kilometer is fine. So here we are at the swim start. And there's the finish line. Actually, na-invite ako dito ni Cordy. Kasi sabi nila, magsiswim nga daw sila. So for this weekend, for this race weekend, tayo ay kalad-karin. Like last night, I had dinner with Cecil and Jerry. So that was really changing tent. Alright, dito lalabas. So, and we have the transition. Ay! Mga lodi andito. Grabe, nakadating din ako dito. Ganda ba? First time. Yeah, kasi dapat ba nyo naman ako. You're in video, is that okay? Sanay naman ata kayo. Yan. Kumain ako dito yesterday. Ang mura. Tapos tama lang yung servings. Ayun, kasi may dala silang bike pump. Hello. Yan, yung mga lodi,
Isa ba yun? Doon tayo mag-start.
Pwede rin doon, para ma-feel nyo yung transition. Yan, tapos na kami mag-swim ni Corgi. Ayan siya. Gusto niya nang umahon.
Gusto naman yung dagat ko dito.
Maalat din, pero hindi kasing alat ng Subic, charot.
Bot ba? Matay ko tayo ng dili. Pwede mo ako. Ano ba niya ba na ba? Ano yung sportive? Oo nga. Swim. Sige, sige. Tingnan ko naman mamaya, coach. Yung...
Okay, it seems meron akong dilemma since I borrowed the wheels from Panga. I was gonna use na yung... I was gonna pump air na, but look how tiny that is. So I think I need a bike pump. But a Schrader. Illegal archangels to the rescue. Yun!
It's the one, right?
Sige, try natin.
Hindi makuha rin siya. Pero okay lang. Ayun, ayun. Wow! Oh my goodness. I need one of those.
Yay! And now we have solved putting air into our wheels. Thank you to Sir Choi and team. We are now ready for the bike check-in, and then afterwards in the afternoon we are going to join the inaugural Noli run. Yan na, all locked and loaded. So ayun na nga, binaliktad natin si Texu kasi niya itong ating ceramic speed ay tumatama dun sa box. So ganyan pa.
Di ba? Go! Kasi ito daw ang nagdala kay Rizal sa Dapitan. At ito malamang ang sinasagay niya. Binta si Coach Van. Sige, Coach Van. Ikot rampa, Coach Van. Yes!
Kinakamusta ka ni Tito Mark?
Hi, Tito Mar.